So this is a new scar gel that I am trying out. This one is made with silicone, which helps with the healing process. So this says that for a new scar, it takes about 8 weeks to help reduce the appearance of the scar. And for older scars, it would take about 3 to 6 months. So I'm going to test this out for some of the scars that I have from some surgeries and see how that works. This product says that it will hydrate, smooth, soften, and renew your skin. And it works for 24 hours at a time. So basically what you do is just take a shower or wash the area and dry it, and then apply a thin layer of the gel and massage it into the scar gently until you don't feel a sticky or a wet feel anymore. And you want to do that twice a day to get the best results for this product.